Hey y'all, it's Tay and welcome back to our channel. So today is going to be a very detailed Upart wig install. I'm going to be showing you guys every single step from start to finish. So we are going to jump straight into it. This is a middle custom Upart wig. It's using our Kinky straight bundles, and I believe these were 12 inches, but I cut them so that way it was a blunt bob. We are going in and getting that middle part nice and straight and crisp, and then I'm going to go in and kind of get an idea of how much hair I think I'll need out. I do know that I made this wig with 4 inches of not parting space. It's 4 inches deep for the middle part, and then it's only about a half an inch of parting space, which kind of expands why it looks like that big old gap. So I have a good idea of what I'm looking at, and I'm also going to be leaving a little bit of my edges out, not too much, just a little bit. But here we are doing that part, and then we're gonna get into the braid down.
Did the home of the villains. Ecstasy wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chilling. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they heard.
So once I think I have enough hair section out, I go ahead and separate that from the rest of my hair. And then I pull my hair back into a really tight and flat ponytail, as flat as I can get it, so that way I can go ahead and try on my Upart wig, make sure I have enough hair left out, and if not, I can go back and fix it. Like when I go to try it on right now, I don't have my part back far enough, so I have to go in, do a little adjusting to make sure I have enough hair left out. So now I'm just gonna braid my edges out the way, get that separated, and then you're probably wondering why I have my hair sectioned the way that I do. You'll see once I get to the braid pattern and how I braid my hair down why exactly I don't have all of my edges out all the way up to the part, and it stops like right after the part. So the first part that I like to get done with the braid pattern is I always go in and put 2 anchor braids around my part, so that way the wig combs have something to slide right into, and my part isn't like slipping and the wig isn't sliding down or anything like that. It's right there. It's, what is the word I'm looking for? Taut is the word that's coming to my mind, but that's not what I mean. But it's just secure. That's the word I'm looking for. Secure, and everything is in place. And then I go in, and the rest of my hair, I kind of do it like a quick weave. I don't really care about the braids that much. I just try to make sure that they are flat and everything is braided down and in place, so that way I can pop that wig on my head, okay?
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage, really got it, turning in and giving time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick the
as you can see, I just keep doing that same thing, sectioning out big old braids and braiding it down. Here I am going in and oiling my scalp. I do this every time I put a wig on. If I remember, everybody forgets stuff, so sometimes I be forgetting. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead, pop that wig on like I said, and then we're gonna start blending my leave out in with this texture, which is gonna be really easy. And I go through my normal steps like always, so just keep watching.
City nigga from Atlanta. I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever. Have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide. I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like to drive, but he spin good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we hit a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation.
So after we get the part carved out and make sure all of the hair is covering the top of the wig, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my foam. Everything that I use will be linked down below, but I'm going to go in with my foam so that way we can have a really sleek press. And then I'm gonna, after I apply my foam, I'm just gonna put 2 stocking caps over my head, sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes or until the foam dries, and then we're gonna go in and start pressing my hair out.
Say that, never running awesome. If I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my awesome. When I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal.
Always apply your heat protectant first, and my hair honestly is like really heat trained. I've been natural since 2013, I believe, but when I was younger I used to always wear my hair flat iron. I bet a lot of you guys can relate. So my hair presses with ease. If you need a little bit more, you may need to go in with like a wax stick to make sure that your hair looks good. But that's another reason why I like to use the Kinky straight texture, because even if your hair is thicker, more coarse, it doesn't get like bone straight. This texture looks really good because you can wear it bone straight or you can wear it with like a press, but it still has that texture to it, which is kind of how I have it here.
With a kitty, got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. And they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real. No lie, you can tell it from my peers right now. Heard you wanna fuck me now. Heard you wanna love me down. Heard you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Forget nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pin like a button. Keep more time for your contact.
If you are interested in getting you a custom Upart wig, you can reach out to us via text or email. I will have everything down in the description box as always. Right now, our custom units are not listed on the website, just our ready to wear wigs and our bundle deals until I get everything sorted out. But I do invoices, so if you are interested in getting a custom wig in general or a Upart wig made, reach out via email or text, or if you follow me on social medias, you can reach out on there too, and we can get it all squared away for you.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, when I was down in the last week, tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, don't hold no ring. Yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what.
This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions, any tutorials you want to see, any hairstyles you want me to do, etc., drop them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like on your way out. And the look is giving, okay? You can't even tell this is a wig, period.